Your toothbrush, a haven for bacteria, is a topic of concern for many. But what's the real risk? Hartman suggests that for those living together, the bacteria sharing is more of a natural occurrence than a cause for alarm. She explains that people who live together tend to share a higher proportion of oral microbes than those who don't. And this is more likely due to kissing or sharing than storing toothbrushes close by. Interestingly, dog owners often share similar The risk from pathogens is generally low, agrees Zinn, but it's a concern for those with compromised immune systems. Research by Zinn and others has found that some bacteria on toothbrushes carry antibiotic-resistant genes, making infections harder to treat. However, these genes were found at low levels, posing a moderate public health concern. A study of Italian student toothbrushes revealed a more alarming finding. All carried bacteria resistant to multiple drugs. This highlights the importance of proper toothbrush care. To combat bacteria, some toothbrushes are infused with antimicrobial treatments, but studies show they have limited effect. A simple solution is to let your toothbrush air dry upright after use, which can reduce microbial growth. Many viruses, including influenza and coronaviruses, break down as they dry out. Bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, a major cause of tooth decay, can survive for up to 8 hours but die off after 12 hours. So, while bacteria are inevitable, proper care and awareness can help manage them effectively.